Wendy. I foster pets.
Any idea on how many have come through?
I stopped counting at 1,000, and that was a few years ago. Kittens are my favorite, and also dogs and anyone else who needs me. So by fostering them until they're big enough to be adopted makes a huge life savings difference. These guys are just starting to eat on their own, and another pound or so and they'll be ready to go find their perfect homes. I work for Best Friends Animal Society as a fundraiser. We run the largest no-kill sanctuary in the country. We have cats and dogs dying needlessly in shelters that are healthy and adoptable, and we're just helping shelters learn how to change things the way we've been doing it for many, many years. There's a cat, Mama Mia. She came to me pregnant to foster, and the cat whisperer, Jackson Galaxy, worked with me over the phone and taught me how to make my house feel safer for her. I said, how can I ever thank you? And he said, pay it forward. And somehow in my mind, I took that to mean I should help 100 animals a year. And I'm happy to say I've exceeded that goal each year. So a day in the life is usually feedings every 3 hours. I recently had a puppy, Michaela. She was extremely emaciated and starved, couldn't even lift her head to drink water. She was as close to a dead animal as I've ever seen. The vet walked in and said, okay, well, we're euthanizing, right? And I said, no, we're gonna save her. And we did. It was not easy. And everything I did with her, I posted on social media so people can see that fostering saves lives. So I had strangers reaching out to me saying, can I send you something for her? And when I talked to the vet later on, and I said, you thought I was crazy when I wanted to save her, didn't you? And he said, no, I was just trying to save you the heartache. I believe that people want to help and they don't always know how. So I think the easiest way people can get involved is to donate, whether it's a couple dollars, whether it's your old towels or sheets. There's a rescue with animals that can use those. So if you've ever thought about fostering, my first tip is do it. Just do it. Go to your shelter, call a local rescue, ask them what they have that needs fostering. They'll be able to help you get set up. Every animal that's fostered saves 2 lives, one of the one you're fostering and one of the place it made available. I'm not one of those rescue people who says I hate people. I think people are the solution. These little guys are here depending on us, and we just need to remind people all the ways they can do it.